Hey there, my lovely friends. How are you all doing this beautiful day? I'm Eshna and I welcome you back to my channel. Yes, it's haul time again, and I have purchased couple of products from Studio West, which is Westside's brand. Although I didn't purchase any of these from the store at all. I purchased everything from Tata Clay. But before I show you what all I have purchased, please consider subscribing to this channel. It is totally free and it will help me, and you will be notified for all my future uploads as well, so that you won't miss out any of the reviews or the hauls that I share. Now with the intro done, let's get started. I was pleasantly surprised when I checked Westside products. I mean, Studio West was available in Tata Clay's app, so I downloaded. I saw a couple of amazing products and I wanted to try them out. So yes, I have purchased those. These were all safely delivered to my place. I didn't have to step out of the house. So in quarantine, if you want to purchase these things in the current situation, you might order it and have it in the house itself. Sanitize it, keep it away, and then you can definitely take out and use these products. So I have put all of these here. I have a couple of perfumes and nail polishes only to talk about. But yes, I thought it would be interesting for you. So I'm sharing. In case you want to check out these links, I will link all the Tata Clay links in the description box below, so that you might check it out. So I have 6 nail polishes from the house of Studio West to show you, out of which I have got one which is marked as tester. Let's first get on with that. This is a beautiful minty green color. This is called I don't know what is this called. This is called Matte WGR01. So beautiful color. If you want to see how all it fares on the nail and mini reviews on it, make sure you follow me on my Instagram, because on Instagram only I review nail polishes and make small videos and share it across. So if you want to check what all I think about this Studio West nail polish, you will have to follow me on my Instagram. It's called Random Reflections. The link of all those stuffs are there in the description box below and at the end of the video, so make sure you check it out, and do follow me on Instagram to see the review for these. Next I have this one. This is that one is a matte one. This one is vivid a nail color, and this belongs to the denim range, and this is number 4 from the denim range. I love this one. All of these nail paints have got 175 as their price point. Moving on to the next one. This is another one from the Vivid range. It's a beautiful teal color. I simply love it. It's way out of my comfort zone. I'm trying, and I discovered these and I love it, because I used to like colors like this when I was in college. I used to wear in schools and colleges, but then I stopped using them. I finished one bottle from L18, then I stopped purchasing those, and now I have started using and trying these one out as well. This is a beautiful color. This is in the variant Denim 505 from the range. This is also 175 rupees. I simply adore this color, and of course the review for these will be on Instagram. Next I have a beautiful purple nail paint. This is a matte one. This is a purple nail paint. Beautiful color. It's a rich purple color, and this is a matte one, and the name for this is Matte Pro 03. The writing is very tiny. I don't know whether you'll be able to read it or not. It's there on the top. This one is also 175. I will be sharing the swatches and everything for this in Instagram. The next one is Denim 08. Don't get confused with the other one. This one is different and this one is different. This is a sky blue, a powder blue kind of a thing. This is grey. This is not blue. So it's quite close, but they are not similar. If I place them next to each other, I hope you will be able to see and understand that these are different colors, and both of these are very promising. I will use these and then only I can tell you how do they fare. And finally I have another one which is in the matte range as well. This is a greenish dark jade sort of a color. It's not jade as well, I don't know exactly what color it is, but it's a beautiful color, and it's very different from what I usually wear. So I will be trying out these, and I was so happy to lay my hands on this without stepping out of my house and going to West Side store, to be very frank. Next up, I have 3 perfumes. One is a repeat purchase, and this is UCB's Together. I have already showed this perfume once in my product empties. My husband used the previous one up before I could review it, so we have purchased the bigger bottle. That was a 30 ml that I purchased last time, and this one is a 90 ml. This one is 100 ml. It's a stunning fragrance. I cannot rave enough about it. This is probably the best UCB fragrance that they have for men. This is the United Dreams Together variant. For him, you have a variant for Together variant for women as well. I have it. I will review it sometime soon. For this one, I can give you a detailed review because we have already used this. It's a stunning fragrance. It's so aromatic, rich, spicy. At the top note, you have got bergamot, tangerine, black pepper, and juniper. So this is due to the black pepper. It starts off with a spicy kick itself. Spray it again to remember the fragrance. And it's a beast in the performance. It will last on your skin for the entire day, regardless of how much you sweat, you go out as well. This won't budge from your body. Sorry, coming back to the middle note, you get lavender, geranium, thyme, and watery accords. And then the base, you get cedarwood, tonka bean, amber, and moss. So overall, it's a woody, spicy, seductive, very passionate, very powerful person can wear it. It is a tremendously great perfume. You have to lay your hands on this. I never ever say that some perfume is that you need to have it in your collection. This is one of those that at least you need to have it in your collection. If you don't want to wear men's fragrances, gift it to your loved one. I'm sure they will be thanking you, and you will be thanking me later as well. It's a beautiful fragrance. I know this is a bit pricey because this one itself retails for rupees 1900, but from Tata Click I got it at a discount for rupees 1197. So yes, it was a steal deal for a UCB full size 100 ml fragrance. This was a great price point. Next up, I have 2 fragrances from Studio West itself. This one is an EDP, and this is called Charmed. It's a basic white packaging. I haven't sniffed these were blind buys, and this is how the bottle looks like. It's a very cute bottle. It's a 50 ml that you're looking at. Judging from the pink bottle, it should be candy sweet or fruity or floral or something like that. Okay, the atomizer is black, which I love. The cap is super sturdy. Sprays beautifully. Oh my god, this is fruit. Definitely a fruity, tropical, a very nice, soothing. I bet this will be a relaxing. I don't know whether what will be the notes in this. I don't know, but it's a very soothing, pleasing. It has got coconut in it. I'm getting vibes of coconut here, so it's a very pretty scent. Yeah, all I can smell is coconut at this point. It kind of is a tropical one. Charmed, I am. But yeah, let's see how this fares on my skin. This one retails for rupees 595, and I paid exactly retail value. There was no discount on this, but nonetheless, it is a great scent. I will be doing a detailed review sometime soon, so watch out for that. And lastly, I have another perfume from Studio West itself. It is called Wicked. If my camera focuses, then you can see the name Wicked is written right here. Yeah, the same packaging. Outside packaging is very basic. It's a basic white box, and inside it your fragrance is housed something like this. Okay, so that was a light pink bottle and this is a dark pink bottle. Yeah, Wicked. So I don't know, it might have dark notes or ambery notes maybe. Let's see. The sprayer is fantastic. Okay, this is fruity, very much similar to blackberry or some sort of a berry or black currant. Yeah, it's a fruity but a dark scent. This is meant for evening and evening alone, I believe so. I will have to wear it, test it, and then only I can give you my final thoughts. But yeah, judging by the bottle as well, it is supposed to be dark only. It's beautiful fragrance. My god, I am in love with Studio West fragrances. I have never explored this avenue before, and thanks to Tata Click, I can try these fragrances without stepping outside my house. So yeah, great purchase. This one is also 50 ml and it retails for $5.95. And yes, with that I have come to the end of the haul. That is all I have purchased. My basket is empty. So I hope you had fun watching this haul. Stay tuned for the fragrance review for the 2 Studio West ones, because I can 1000 times say this is a great purchase. I have already reviewed it in the product empties video in details. If you want, you can check those out. You will get it in my channel, and I have shared a couple of notes and details about this in this video as well, which will help you understand what sort of a fragrance this is. If you are into this type, definitely give this a try. If you're a man watching this, buy it, you won't regret it. If you are a woman who wants to give this to someone, or you want to try it for yourself, because I believe anybody can wear anything. The stamp that the world has put on men's fragrance or women's fragrance is just marketing biz. That's what I feel like. So yes, that's pretty much what I had to say about this haul. If you enjoyed watching this, please give this video a like, share it with your friends, and comment in the comment section and let me know any perfume you have purchased from Studio West, or if you have tried any nail paints. Remember, the nail paint reviews and swatches will be there on my Instagram account, so make sure you follow me there. My Instagram handle and everything detailed is there in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. And before you leave this video, please consider subscribing to this channel and ring the bell icon next to it so that you are notified for all my future uploads. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy. Bye.